Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OPPO Reno15 Pro. In this video, let's fix fingerprint sensor not working on this device. To fix your device's fingerprint sensor, firstly, you have to check that your finger is clean, dry and free from oil and sweat. The second thing that you should try is remove and re-add your fingerprint. So let's open settings and let's scroll down to security and privacy section. Let's scroll down to device unlock. From here, go to face and fingerprint unlock, tap on fingerprint. And now next to fingerprint that is lagging, you want to tap 3-dot button and select delete option. Now let's press add fingerprint. Press add now button, and now we want to place your finger on the sensor, and when you add your fingerprint, please use different parts of your finger and apply various pressures, of course, to capture more data. Let's tap done button. Additionally, you have to make sure that your screen is clean. So you have to use clean microfiber cloth to wipe your screen where the sensor is located, and as well you have to check that your screen protector does not have any bubbles in the area where the fingerprint sensor is located. So that is basically it. That's how we can fix fingerprint sensor not working on OPPO Reno15 Pro device. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.